So what is the first thing that we need to do? We need to get one equation solved for a variable. Done, or we have to work it out?
Done.
Done. All right, so which equation are we going to use?
The second one.
The second one, and we're going to put that equation where?
And the first one.
In the first one for
X.
x. Why do we put it in for x?
Because that's what X equals.
Because that's what it's solved for. It says x equals. If it said x equals 5, we'd put a 5 right there. Everybody agree? But it doesn't. All right, so I don't know, you might not like my color coding, but I kind of like it, so I'm keeping it. Makes me happy. Small things in life make me happy. Color coding, one of them. Okay? All right, so how am I going to solve this?
Distribute.
I'm going to distribute, all right? So 2 times y is going to get me 2y, plus 2 times 1 is going to get me 2, minus a y is going to equal 9. All right? A couple of different ways you can solve. Either way you work it, you're going to end up with y plus 2 is equal to 9, right? Subtract 2 and end up with y is equal to 7. Everybody agree? So, what? Okay. What do I want to do with my y equals 7?
Substitute it in for the second one.
Substitute it in. All right, so if I'm going to substitute this y is equal to 7 in, where am I going to put that?
In the second equation.
Into the second equation for
Y.
y. Everybody okay with that? So then I'm going to end up with x. Oh, hold up. You know I like my color coding. X is going to be equal to 7 plus 1. So what's that going to get me? 8. X is going to be equal to 8. Everybody agree? So what is my ultimate solution going to be?
8, 7.
It should be 8, 7, because remember our solution is written in x, y. So my solution should be 8, 7. If I needed to check it, I could substitute back into both and make sure it works, right? Or you can not and hope for, keep your fingers crossed you just got it right. I mean, I'm just saying. Technically, in theory, you should be able to check every one of these before you put your answer in. Okay? How many of us got 8, 7? Let me see. Woo. So we got 8, 7, 8, 7. 8, 7. Where's the rest of your work? Well, erase that so I can go look at it. Come on now, party people. All right, beautiful.